Hi, welcome to UAV Simplified. Unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, or as people like to call them drones. What are they? Well, there are so many types. We have tricopter, hexacopter, fixed wing, the humble quadcopter, coaxial, octocopter, VTOLs, flying saucers. Wait, are flying saucers really drones? Who knows? So, how do these drones fly? Is it some sort of magic? Like magic carpet? No. It must be Magneto moving the metal. Or if you are into good guys, then perhaps Professor Xavier with his telekinesis. And most importantly, how do you make them? What all do you need to make them? Do you need a complicated degree in engineering? Or do you need to forage some difficult ingredients from distant lands? Or is it as simple as sugar, spice, and chemical X? So come with us on this beautiful journey where we simplify this mythical creature. In short, quick videos, we will explain the science for the simple-minded people like us. And we will teach you how to make your very own UAV.